Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by switching your lens or camera to MF. This gives you direct control over sharpness. Once done, set the viewfinder diopter so the focus aid reads clearly and enable magnify or focus peaking to see detail. Make sure you pick a single focus point or frame the subject so your eye has one place to judge. This reduces hunting and helps you lock precise focus before moving to exposure adjustments and composition. Once you have basic focus, magnify the live view to 5x or 10x and turn the focus ring slowly until the edges look razor sharp. This is how you nail micro adjustments. While doing that, match aperture to depth of field needs. Larger aperture yields shallow focus, smaller gives more tolerance. Then set shutter speed and ISO to retain correct exposure. If your subject moves, increase shutter speed. If grain rises, lower shutter. You finish by previewing with a half press to confirm both focus and exposure. Then recheck critical areas with magnify or focus peaking before taking the final frame. After you shoot, review at 100% to ensure sharpness and make small micro adjustments if needed. If images come out soft, check the diopter. Ensure the lens is truly an MF, use a tripod, or switch to AF for moving subjects. This single troubleshooting step solves most manual focus problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.